Alpine PWE-S8 Subwoofer Review. Real bass under your seat without losing space.
The Alpine PWE-S8 Amplified Subwoofer is a complete bass solution built into one slim aluminum box that slides right under your car seat. It combines a powerful 8-inch high-excursion woofer with a built-in 120-watt Class D amplifier, delivering deep, tight bass without eating up your trunk or cargo space. Think of it as the missing foundation your factory speakers never had, the low-end punch that makes music feel full and alive instead of thin and flat. Whether you drive a compact sedan, truck, or SUV, this subwoofer fits where traditional boxes cannot, connecting directly to your factory radio or aftermarket head unit through simple speaker-level or RCA inputs. And here's the best part. It takes just a couple of hours to install and transforms your entire listening experience. Imagine never dealing with that hollow, lifeless factory sound again.
The biggest win is the instant bass depth you get without sacrificing a single inch of cargo room. Your music suddenly has weight. Kick drums hit with real impact, bass guitars have body and definition, and movie soundtracks gain that cinematic low-end foundation that factory systems completely miss. The Class D amplifier runs cool and efficient, so there's no overheating or power drain worrying you during long drives. Here is where it gets interesting. The adjustable crossover and phase switch let you dial in perfect blending with your existing speakers, creating a seamless full-range sound rather than a disconnected boom from the back. The optional wired remote means you can fine-tune your bass level from the driver's seat on the fly, track by track, without fumbling under the seat. Installation takes minimal effort thanks to included speaker-level inputs that tap directly into factory wiring. You regain the emotional connection to your music that thin factory audio steals from you every single day.
Picture this. You've been driving with your factory system for years, cranking the volume to try and feel something, but the bass just isn't there. You finally install the Alpine PWE-S8 under the passenger seat, run the wiring in under 2 hours, and fire up your favorite song. The moment that first bass note hits, you actually feel it in your chest. That's the turning point. One driver mentioned doubting whether an 8-inch sub could really make a difference in his crew cab truck, but after installation, he couldn't stop smiling. Country, rock, and hip-hop all sounded fuller and more satisfying, with tight, punchy bass that didn't rattle or buzz. Another user rediscovered her entire music library, hearing low-end details in jazz and classical recordings she never knew existed. The transformation feels natural and emotionally grounded, not like some overhyped bass explosion, just complete, balanced sound. After testing a few compact subs, one thing became clear. The Alpine PWE-S8 simply outclasses the competition in build quality and sound accuracy. Don't just pick any compact-powered subwoofer. Make sure it has a die-cast aluminum enclosure with a high-excursion 8-inch driver, so you never waste your time on flimsy plastic housings that buzz, rattle, and overheat after a few months of use again. The aluminum body acts as both a rigid acoustic chamber and a heatsink, keeping the amplifier running cool and the bass tight and controlled. Professional installers consistently recommend this unit because it works every single time. Customers leave happy, and warranty returns are virtually non-existent. Independent testing showed clean output all the way to its 120-watt RMS rating with minimal distortion. One verified customer with a premium factory system said adding this sub made it sound like it came that way from the dealership, perfectly integrated and natural. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for space saving, 2 for sound quality, 3 for easy install. The PWE-S8 delivers all three with zero compromise.
The core shift here is from thin, disappointing factory sound to full, rich, emotionally engaging music you actually feel. Thousands already use the Alpine PWE-S8 daily to reclaim that missing bass without losing precious cargo space. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your vehicle and system perfectly. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and check it out for yourself. You deserve bass that completes your music, not just adds noise.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.